Hi, this is Kumar from Macon Valley. Before I proceed to the topic, let me introduce myself. I have total 12 years experience in IT, working as a senior consultant in cloud and automation department in leading product-based company. Worked on various technology, DevOps, cloud, VMware, EMC storage, Unix. Completed more than 70 batches in DevOps and cloud through online and offline. I have certified on AWS, VMware, EMC, Cisco, and Red Hat. Lucky enough to work on these technologies. Training method, scenario based. I believe that the training method should not be based on syllabus always. Because when you go for an interview, they will not ask the syllabus. They will ask the scenario. What you have done, what is your day-to-day work, what you can do for us. Okay. Agenda, learn smart, make it simple. Very simple, this fundamental. When you go for an interview, when you go work in the company, they'll give a complex situation and you have to make it simple. And that's why we try to make it simple for you guys. And how we'll make it simple? Because your fundamentals should be clear. That's why we open this channel, we open this website to share our knowledge in a simple way. Let's move to the topic. Then DevOps. DevOps is a set of practice, combines software development and information technology operations, which aims to shorten the system development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. What do you mean by that? It's a process. It helps in software development processing, or which helps in speed up the coding process. That's it. It's very simple. Yeah. Let's come to the scenario how DevOps. I will give a real-time example. Guys, in any environment, there will be a coder and tester, right? What coder does? They write the code. What tester does? They challenge the coder to find a bug. Yes or no? Yes. And this is a continuous loop. This loop will only end when you release the software in the production server. I'm going to discuss right now how DevOps comes to the picture and how it is implemented in the real world and how it is very demanding in the market. Yep. Okay. Now, this loop will continue when you release it to the production server. Yeah. You follow SDLC or Agile. But there is some issue with this process, so that client have a problem with that. The problem is if he or she or the company want to get the product as soon as possible, if you'll adopt this method, it will keep on going and the client is keep on waiting, and that is a very bizarre situation for the client. He need immediate solution. Okay, if I'll give an example of Ola. Okay, when you book a cab as a Ola customer, you get null value. Okay, that means you're booking a cab in some area. Let's say in Bangalore we have one area, in BTM or Koramangala, you're booking the cab. When you book a cab, when you get your null value, so that time what you do? You will try to search. If you're not getting, frustrated, go to Uber. You wait for that. And who lost the business here? Mr. Kodas. I'm sorry, Mr. Ola. Yeah. I mean, the Ola said that, I'm losing my business. So what that company decide that so that, I will update my Ola cab in those locations where demand is more. So for that, he need to instruct to the coder, please update it, please write some code. These are some areas that assume that there is 100 location in India, there is no cab. And I told to my coder, please do that. Coder says, sir, I'll do it. But for that, I need 2 months. because I need to update the driver details, car details, many things. Okay. So in that things, 2 months is very good opportunity for the Uber to take the market. Yes. So what Ola company should think, or what Ola owners should think, I need to update as soon as possible because Uber is there. So he said, Mr. Koda, don't take 2 months. You do one thing, you update 3 location, which is very demanding right now. That things you do it right now. He said, okay, sir, I have done. I'll write my code and I'll do it. But now Koda is asking to the tester or to the company, sir, what to do with this? I have written my code. Who will take care of this coding, put into a testing server, release in time? Somebody should be there. I cannot wait. Then the DevOps engineer comes to the picture. He said that, don't worry, sir, Mr. Coder, I create a repository for you that is called Git. You upload your code there. Then I will convert that code into executing format by the help of a tool called Ant or Maven, which is called build management tool. Okay, these are some technical tools, guys. Then we will deploy those things to a testing server. Then at the end, who will deploy this guy is Jenkins. He will help in the deployment, which is a very famous tool. If will get any bug, so then Jenkins will send a notification to the respective coder. There is a bug in the coding. Please modify the code and upload it again. Again, it will be converted. Again, it will be deployed. So this is a continuous loop. So when somebody will be there, like DevOps, who will bridge the gap between coder and tester, and who is always there to take the code from you and put into a testing server and release in time, then in that case, DevOps is the communicator between coding and testing, development and operation team, which is called DevOps. Yeah, DevOps. So when somebody is there to bridge it, somebody is there to communicate the gap between them, obviously your production server will keep on changing because the release is happening here. When it will be keep on changing, the Ola people is very happy because he is getting the cap. The customer is happy. So this continuous integration and deployment is called CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. If this continuous deployment is happening, and if you add automation here, automation means you write the code, just push the code, automatically converted, automatically deployed. That's it. You just write the code, that's it. It is released. That you did that, then it is absolutely called DevOps. You need to learn some automation here, guys. Understood? What is the meaning of DevOps? The only, if somebody will ask you what is the advantage of DevOps, I can say in very non-technical manner, the speed of the coding process. Yeah, because there is no wastage of time here because somebody is there to bridge the gap between coder and tester, and that exactly DevOps what does. Yeah. Now there is some other tools also involved here. Many tools are there, but the major tools are Ansible, Kubernetes, and Docker. These are some major tools which help in the deployment part. How we will learn it during the courses, but these are the major topics. But these are the tools which helps also in the CI/CD part. Yeah. One more thing comes to the picture here that people generally ask, sir, how cloud is linked with the DevOps? Yes, the cloud is linked with the DevOps because nowadays all the company are migrated to the cloud or they are migrating. In that scenario, somebody should know a cloud platform with the DevOps. If you'll go for an interview, somebody will ask, okay, you know Jenkins, you know Docker, you know Ansible, everything. But can you implement those things in the cloud? So in that section or then that scenario, you need to tell, yes, I know, I have some knowledge on the cloud. I know cloud because cloud is a platform on which you can implement your infrastructure. So it's just a platform, nothing like that. Okay. So we will introduce cloud also, guys. Okay. We will cover cloud topic, which is required for DevOps. So these are the all things we should know to maintain a DevOps environment. What is in cloud? In other video, I will take a class for that. But right now, cloud is infrastructure service which provide infrastructure to the DevOps environment. Okay, that's why we should know. Okay, how how we will proceed here. So I have decided something here. I have planned for you guys, which is happening in our company, which is we are day-to-day life we are doing. So for that reason, we need to know some Unix knowledge, some cloud knowledge, and DevOps, the tools, whatever we discussed. And at the end, we'll have people interacting directly, and you can take suggestion from me, guys. I can help you in the resume discussions, resume preparation, and interview question and answer, and project overview also. Because everybody should have different aim and object when you go for an interview. So yeah, that is the important part, because teaching is important equally. How you represent yourself in the interview, that is also important. Okay, that's it, guys. And this, of course, yeah, this syllabus will slowly vary during the demand of the market. It will change. So as of now, we will also keep on changing the syllabus. So yeah, so we believe that we should help the candidate, or we should help the people from uh, resume perspective, interview perspective, and also from the content perspective. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. For more information about my classes, connect with me www.econvalley.com and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.